So as you can see, so the part 1 of this video didn't show this particular place, so I've forgotten that my screen recorder, because since this one is Windows 10, so once you minimize an application that you started with, it will just go off automatically. So I didn't know that it cannot multi-process two Windows or two applications at the same time. So that's why I'm doing this second part. Okay, so now when you, as you can see the address here, I want 27.0.0.5,000. so that is what we copied, or that's what we the link from the Flask application. Alright, so now when you log in, when you type that, or just click it from Python environment, it will launch the default browser. In this case now I'm having Opera Mini. So I'm having Opera Mini. So this Opera Mini now is launched, and of course, so when you launch it, you have something like a drug detection model, which is the title of the model actually. Alright. So then next to that, what we do is, I don't know whether it's actually showing on your screen, but once the address has been launched, or the address bar, then it will take us to this place. Okay, so now after which you see a window like this is the HTML file I was showing you, and of course that's the background image. You know, I told you about the background image inside the, I think, static folder. Okay, so that's the background image, and so the page that first loaded is called the index.html, which is the home page. Now when you look at the Flask application, you see the route, home, then prediction, and stuff like that. Of course, if you look at the screen now, the prediction button is set to be visible. So I did that intentionally because the mindset behind that is just, or the logic behind that is just for the user. I want to be sure that the user actually load an image, a drug image. Is that okay? Because that's just the main thing we are trying to do. We are trying to dictate whether a loaded image or drug image is fake or genuine. I think that's okay. So now let me just, so having gone to the home page now, you see choose a file now. So we choose a file to open up a dialog box, and of course you can see on the screen that I've already loaded one particular image down. This is one of my drugs at home. It's a vitamin C. Okay, it's genuine. So I just loaded it and saved it on my laptop so that I'll be able to have something to actually test the model. Is that okay? So I will click on it now. So clicking on it, and of course we can see that the predict button is now visible. So meaning that the user has already selected an image or uploaded an image to the model. So once we click on the predict model now, predict button, sorry. So we're expecting the model to be able to do a kind of prediction. Is that okay? So then I'll click it now. If you can see my screen clearly, so I'll click on predict button, and then you wait a moment. Okay, so that's the prediction. Predicted drug, then full column genuine. So it means that I'm just using this as a sample now. So you can use any random image, drug image, to test your application. So once you have it running and you launch the Flask application on a web browser, then you click use file, you select a particular image, drug image, then you click prediction. At least to a certain degree, the model should be able to predict whether the loaded image is genuine or fake. So that's just it. It's not a rocket science, really. It's not a rocket science. So thank you very much.